Welcome to lesson 2. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about backtesting, the software that I use, and we are going to backtest a strategy that I found online to see if this strategy actually works. With backtesting software installed into your MT4 platform, you can move the candles forward and backward so you can understand the strategy that you're trading and use it the same way when you use a live account in the future. I bought this software over 4 years ago and I still use it today. It is called Forex, and I will leave the link in the description below in this video and on the website. For the rest of the Baby Forex series, I will be doing everything in this backtesting software. So I recommend that you buy it, install it into your MT4 platform so that you can follow along and go through the lessons with me. You can read some more about the details about this software on their website, and then when you're ready to install it, you can click on here on installation and startup, and they have a very thorough explanation on how to install it into your MT4 platform. Once you have the software downloaded into your MT4 platform and loaded up, you're going to download some data for the symbol that you want to test. So let's do that right now. We click on Data Center, and here we're going to check Euro US dollar. And so far I've only downloaded from 2003 to 2006. So let's keep on going and download the data all the way up to today's date. If you've been online, there are loads of people out there that say they have a working, profitable strategy. And it could be based on price action or indicators or as something as bizarre as seasonal weather patterns. And we can find out with this backtesting software the logic behind their strategy and if it really is profitable. And that's what we're going to do with this Baby Forex series. I have found someone that says they are profitable, and we are going to try to recreate their strategy to really see if it works, and you get to see how I do that. Before we go, I'm going to show you how to open up a Renko chart. So let's do that right now. Renko charts are a little bit different than candle charts. They just use pips for each candle. So let's open up a new simulation, and we're going to use the Euro US dollar, and then we're going to change the year to 2022. And April 1st, we're going to start it and then end the simulation on the last trading day, which is May 25th. And everything looks good here, and we're going to start the simulation. And then when it says standard chart here, we hold this, click on it, and click to Renko chart. Okay, and this, we're going to leave the same Renko chart. Each bar will be 10 pips, and leave this unchecked. Then we're going to add the chart and open it. Okay, so we've got our chart and it's open, and let's take a look closer at what Renko charts look like. So the strategy that we're going to be going through on this Baby Forex lessons are going to be using Renko charts. So Renko charts are bars that are 10 pips, no wicks. So just the opening and the close, and no wicks calculated in this, and 10 pips for each bar. And so this might be the first time that you've ever seen Renko charts before, and yeah, not a lot of traders use these. But I think they should, especially price action traders. It's right up their alley because it's only based on price only. And those are the movements here. 10 pip movements. And that's what equals a bar. And that is everything for this lesson, everything we talked about. The links will be in the description below. I will see you in the next one.